house with a design like to stack books. Land to build a house is limited. The floors is the best solution for managing space. Like other tiny houses, the first floor has an integrated kitchen living room. There is a staircase leading upstairs to the bedrooms. Beside the bedroom window, there is an open lounging area. The hallmark of a tiny house is building a house with narrow land, but can accommodate all the space well.